Hey family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I am Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. So I just want to pop on camera real quick. I know if you guys haven't seen me in like 2 weeks. Just know that content will be coming soon. I just wanted to basically share my experience on going to the salon in years. So if you don't follow me or you're new to my channel, I should say, then I personally do not go to salons or anywhere to get my hair done. I maintain my hair on my own, and I've been doing that for 6 entire years. I made a video on why I don't go to the hair salon, and I will link it to this video, but I do want to share my experience on how everything happened and like why I went and everything like that. Basically, I had a photo shoot opportunity to be in a magazine. It's a natural hair magazine that's quite popular, so I was really excited for that. It took me a while to accept this opportunity because I am not someone who just allows anyone to do my hair. I'm just keeping it real, and honestly I had a lot of anxiety and stuff like that, and that's why I kind of waited such a long time to accept the opportunity. So I finally went and I had a blast. Actually, it was a really great experience, a very new experience. I got to see other individuals who have locks. This one lady had locks for like 26 years or so. I'm gonna share the behind the scenes with you guys.
So he asked me how I'm coping, and I asked him if he noticed.
Good morning, you guys. Okay, so I thought I would have a little more excitement, but it's early, okay? It's very early, and I'm headed to do my first photo shoot for a magazine. So I'm gonna be in Sophisticate's Black Hair Magazine for domestic violence awareness, and we're gonna be doing like a purple look or whatever, but I'm not wearing any makeup or anything until I actually get there and it's time to do my makeup. First I have to go to the stylist and get my hair done. And I know, you guys, if you are not new to my channel, then you know how I feel about salons, anyone touching my hair. And this is all a brand new experience for me. I'm super excited though. It's gonna go well. I have faith, and you know, I'm just super tired right now because I didn't really get enough sleep. We're gonna be headed to the stylist now. I'm supposed to be there at 7:30. We are at the station. I need to put some money on my Metro card. And yeah.
Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine paneting, I'm gonna play that. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine paneting, I'm gonna play that.
It's real cold. I'm freezing.
In my the rum and all the sorrow. In my feet drink away my sorrow.
It's an empty train.
Guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. Me, I drink pine and ginger.
My hair is not completely done, but here's how things are looking right now. Makeup. Ready? Here she goes.
Hey guys! Justice from Naturally
Is she
Fearless.
beautiful?
And mommy feel
don't touch my soul when it's the rhythm. I know. Don't touch my crown. They say the vision I've found. Don't touch what's there when it's the feeling.
Okay, one more time.
Wavy, 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 I'm wavy, 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 yeah, wavy, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, baby, so sweet, you're so sweet, that you got me feeling away. Look at this mess that we
be like you. Only 6 years.
Okay, we'll keep it going.
From your man all day, who I come to, I would gladly give it all up for you, boy. Please don't tempt me. I'm begging, I need a deja vu. Yeah, baby, we'll need a day or two. I'm not playing no games. Imagine floating no.
I was told by a little birdie that it was not just one magazine, but multiple magazines, which is awesome. So I'm really excited for that. I'll let you guys know the updates and when it issues or releases. Unfortunately, I didn't get all the footage that I wanted to, like of all the different lock styles. There was like a lock wig, there was like different braids, there was all different types of hair, different types of things going on, outfits, jewelry. There was kids, there was older women, there were young women. They were just really beautiful, and I didn't get to record a lot. So for the footage that I did get, hopefully it came out well, because I didn't even look at it yet. It was really fun. It was a great opportunity. The stylist actually reached out to me, and she just basically said, hey, I would love for you to model for this magazine opportunity, and you know, I have to style your hair. And when she reached out to me, my first thing was, what exactly do you want to do to my hair? Or what would you be doing to my hair? And you know, she told me she doesn't really know, but she just gets creative as she goes. And I kind of like told her, like, you know, what kind of hairstyles I don't like and stuff like that. But then again, I was like, you know what? Let me just be open-minded and let her do her thing. So I literally put my trust in her that day, and it came out great. She retwisted my hair, styled my hair, washed my hair. It was a great experience. It's very different feeling someone else washing my hair, styling my hair and everything. Anyways, enough of me talking. I was just really excited to come on here, share with you guys my experience. I want to really know who maintains your hair. Do you maintain your hair? And if you do, how long have you been maintaining it? And if you don't maintain your hair, do you enjoy someone else doing your hair versus you? Or have you tried doing your hair yourself? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Keep a smile on your face. Laugh a little today. Always remember, be spiffy and be you.
Situation in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I